All right, drawing students. This is the third video and a project that we have for the remainder of our online learning. This project is called Identity. Now, I'm assigning all these projects ahead just to have them in your arsenal to work on at your own pace. We still have until May to complete these projects, but I'm putting them out there so you can start thinking about them and planning about them, and you can do them in the order that you prefer. So this is the Identity project, and this one is one where we have done all sorts of different kinds of drawing and with different kinds of drawing materials, and I'm leaving it up to you to kind of choose what kind of drawing you want this to be. This is a self-portrait drawing that incorporates things that represent you but don't necessarily have a picture of you in it. All right, so what represents you? So you may incorporate a set of still life objects, maybe things that you own or things that are special to you in some sort, arrange them in some way, and then draw them out. You can use pencil if you prefer pen and ink. If you prefer pen and watercolor, you're certainly welcome to use that, or colored pencils. Any media that you're drawing with is fine. So when you're thinking about your identity drawing, you're going to use one of the larger pieces, 12 by 18. I gave you some drawing paper as well as Bristol board. You choose which one you prefer. You're going to overlay various imagery of things that may represent you. So think about the places that you've been, the people that are in your life, the things that are special to you, objects. What are your hobbies? What are your interests? Perhaps you have a collection of some kind. Maybe there are books that you read. What are the things that are your identities? So maybe you make a list of things that are about you first, and you could also even incorporate those words. So be thinking about that, what sparks an idea in your mind. Be creative in your thinking, and hopefully this will be your best drawing so far. All right, so here are some examples that I pulled together off the internet of kind of self-portraits that incorporate objects that represent the person. So you may have some pets. Maybe you're somebody who has an activist or has a social cause that is important to you. Be thinking about those kinds of things. So here are some more examples incorporating pen and pencil, colored pencil, watercolor, or a combination of those things. Drawing incorporates all of these media. So be thinking about that. Maybe a silhouette of yourself like this one here incorporates different things. Maybe you're a nature lover, or maybe you have a social cause, or you have a lot of words or lyrics or music that influence you. So materials and media you choose. You could use markers, colored pencils, regular pencils, pen and ink, or a combination of those things. Here are more examples of interesting faces. Faces including other things that represent you. So here are some more examples. Objects, activities. And here are some examples of previous student work from a previous year. Teva Kalakman, she put together hers here. Of course, she likes a lot of nature and travel. Naomi put quite a few things here hanging from strings up above. It had some different representation. Maybe the representation and the symbolism represents something that may not be apparent to other people, but it is something that is apparent to you. And here are some more examples. Remember, this project is one that is representative of you, but not necessarily of you. So be creative, be thinking how you can represent yourself. It should be a full-size drawing, 12 by 18, incorporating multiple images in a way that is interesting to you. So feel free to email me if you have any questions. Thanks.